ZMISHIBO 19.7-inch low-profile Fandelier ceiling fan with 3000 to 6000 K dimmable LED. The smaller ZMISHIBO bladeless/compact Fandelier is pitched toward bedrooms, kids' rooms, and compact living spaces where the aesthetic of a modern flush-mount fan is wanted without the bulk of long blades. The product's key specifications include a compact 19.7-inch footprint, low-profile flush mounting for low ceilings, 3000 to 6000 K adjustable color temperature for flexible lighting, from warm to cool, a dimmable LED light rated around 35W/2200 LM on the listing. Check the exact bulb wattage and lumen rating listed on the page, and 6 selectable wind speeds for tailoring airflow. The manufacturer emphasizes a quiet motor, energy-efficient LED lighting, and a modern silhouette that doubles as both a ceiling light and a fan. The Fandelier concept. Customer reviews on the product detail page commonly praise the unit for being unobtrusive yet effective in smaller rooms, with many buyers noting that the adjustable CCT is a big plus for switching from cozy warm light at night to brighter cool light for tasks. Some reviewers warn that the small size means it won't substitute for a 52-inch fan in a living room. It's a targeted solution for compact rooms, and that mounting on irregular or older junction boxes may require additional hardware. Overall sentiment skews positive for ventilation, ease of use, and dimmable lighting flexibility. As requested, we share by links in description box.